fucky the pillow. It's not right. It's wrong. You are a lady. You are a woman. Why you do that, Nikki? It's illegal. It's illegal. Nikki. Oh, it's beautiful ass. Esta carabresca, uska na nasta, piska na na buska naka, shana karana devil. Nikki, where are you? Nikki, come here.
Bombastic side eye.
It's you. Aval Zeimashka, this is your mother.
Boop. Zella. Boop. Nikki, what are those? What are those? Nikki, this is a Crocs? Oh my god, this is very beautiful. Ooh, I like the style, Nikki. Why? But I... Oh. Yummy. You are scared? Where is Eddie? Venom. Kuchi. Mickey. Nikki. Oh my god, Venom. Híjole, Venom. Rock, brick. Oh.
The man them too inconsiderate.
Coco, leave the cat alone, bruh. Too big to be playing with him. He gonna get hurt. Ah, hell nah. You gotta go. Ah, man, Coco getting old, bruh. Look at that big ass forehead. Probably the only dog in history to have a receding hairline. Man, his ear so far back, he can hear what Rosa Parks is saying. Wow, you really gonna backdoor me, bro? I know it's you, Coco. I can see you through the mask. After everything I did for you, just make it quick. Safe, my boy. And be back before 5, you heard? Oh, shit, they shooting. Damn, they got switch. Whoa. Messing with Coco, that's messing with me. Cause I really hop out the V. He in the other room, gang. Where the bro is backdoor season. Any and everybody can get line. That's him, right? Yeah, I remember his face. He was barking on your dead mans. Pop off on him, bro. Oh, what's the Coco and Dean? I promise you we gonna make it out the hood with this one, twin. I already got you crying and shit. Like, that's that pain for real. I feel you. Yo, Coco, you good, gang? I thought you already knew you was a dog, bro. Oh, I did not tell you you was brown.
What you want to say to Nikki? Okay. Nikki, Louis want to say...
Hola, Louis. Kuchi. You scared me. Why you sound like that? What? What? You're a shadow? You're a motherfucker shadow? You're a motherfucker shadow? I'm so sorry! I swear! You're a shadow! Oh no!
What is this? This is...
Oh! Motherfucker! Oh! Why you do this? Oh!
Listen, I know it's 1 minute before closing, but can I please get a sandwich?
Of course, but what can I do today?
Alright, it's a little bit of a big order.
Yeah, of course.
Let me do 10 melts.
10 melts?
5 OTB cheesesteak. 5 OTB cheesesteak. Get me, get me 5 drinks.
Hi. How you doing? I know you're about to close, but can I get 10 cheeseburgers? 10 cheeseburgers? 10 cheeseburgers? Yeah!
I know that y'all close in like 5 minutes, but can I still order?
Yes, you can. We'll do that.
Hey, I know you guys close in 2 minutes, but can I please place an order?
Yeah, of course. What can I get you?
Can I actually get...
Uh-oh. Somebody's mad.
When your cat knows you pet another cat.
Hi. Hi, baby. Come here.
Hi. Hi.
No bite.
Getting a haircut today. Go hide your girlfriends. Cause I'm gonna be looking so fire, bro. What the...
I look like somebody's auntie, bruh.
I've had my haircut. I've just had my haircut. I know. I've just had my haircut.
I'm cooked.
Wait, can I get your name and badge number? Wait. What? Ooh. You want a treat?
What's your name and badge number?
My name and badge number. I am Corporal Russell Severance, badge number 198, Garland County Sheriff's Office.
Good boy.
Good boy. I'm not a boy,
boy.
I'm a man, sir.
Would I be able to get your name and badge number?
My name?
Yes, please.
What's your name?
Dean.
Good boy.
Get your name and badge number?
Yeah. Alright, you gotta stop doing that. It's Gaspari 1584.
Good boy. You want a treat?
Nah, I'm good, thanks.
I am naughty.
Me, officer.
Yeah.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Okay. I'll play along. I've seen this. Johnson, 211.
Good boy.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, yo! No, okay. I'm sorry.